yeah, I thought I'd do a short video on this Wahl 9655 hair clippers. I had a problem with the power light flickering when I was charging it, which I thought was an internal problem, but it was actually just some corrosion on the socket. So I used some tiny bit of sandpaper to sort of sand off the corrosion, and then it seemed to be okay. I thought I would demonstrate how to take it apart, because it wasn't very easy to, it took a while to figure it out. First thing, you can flip off the power switch, and then this black piece comes off. Obviously that can come off. That clips off. Then the silver bit should come off. And then you've got screws. There's a couple of screws on the front. If I can get it. There's a couple of screws here. There's a couple of screws at the top. Remember which way these clips go in. Because the screws hold these spring clips which are used to attach this piece. And so when you put it back together you have to get those the right way around. You probably won't have this piece because I added that in. And then inside you have just the power socket, the battery and the motor. And that's about it.